If you want to learn what are inbound links and how to use them effectively, then you have come to the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, which is lecture 35, we will be delving into the world of inbound links, also known as backlinks, and how to harness their power effectively for SEO content writing. Inbound links are a vital component of your website's authority and visibility in search engines. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of inbound links. Understanding inbound links. Inbound links, also referred to as backlinks, are links that originate from external websites and point to pages on your own website. They are like votes of confidence from other websites indicating that your content is valuable and trustworthy. For example, imagine you run a cooking blog and a popular food magazine links to your recipe page because they found your recipe unique and delicious. That's an inbound link. Inbound links can have a significant impact on your website's SEO performance. Now, the importance of inbound links. Why are inbound links important? They boost your website's authority and credibility. Search engines like Google view backlinks as a signal of quality and relevance. Inbound links can drive referral traffic to your site. They help your website rank higher in search engine result pages. For instance, consider a scenario where a well-known industry blog links to your in-depth guide on digital marketing trends. This not only adds credibility to your content but can also bring a substantial amount of organic traffic to your site. Got it? Now, types of inbound links. There are different types of inbound links. First, we have natural inbound links. Natural inbound links earned organically when other websites link to your content because they found it valuable. Second, we have manual inbound links. These acquired through outreach and collaboration with other websites or bloggers. Next, we have self-created inbound links. Links you create yourself, such as in guest blog post or forum comments. But be cautious with these. Let's say you wrote an informative article on a niche topic and an industry influencer naturally linked to it in one of their articles. That's a natural inbound link. Got it? Now let's discuss how to use inbound links effectively. Quality over quantity. Focus on acquiring high quality, relevant backlinks from authoritative websites. Relevance. Ensure that the inbound links are contextually relevant to the content they link to. Diverse anchor text. Use a variety of anchor text for inbound links and avoid over optimization. Next, we have avoid spammy links. Stay away from low quality or spammy backlinks as they can harm your SEO. Monitoring and maintain. Regularly audit your inbound links and disavow toxic links if necessary. Guest posting. Consider guest posting on reputable websites to earn high quality backlinks. Outreach. Build relationship with other website owners and bloggers for potential collaboration. For example, if you are running a tech blog, collaborating with a respected tech website for a guest post and including relevant inbound links can strengthen your website's authority in the tech niche. Got it? Now, The role of inbound links in SEO content writing. Inbound links play a crucial role in SEO content writing. They validate your content's authority and credibility. They improve your website's trustworthiness in the eyes of search engines. They enhance the user experience by providing additional resources. Consider a scenario where your travel blog article about must-visit destinations in Europe receives inbound link from reputable travel forums and travel agencies. These backlinks not only enhance your content's credibility but also offers readers valuable resources to plan their trip effectively. Got it? So now, in conclusion, we can say that inbound links are a powerful asset in the world of SEO content writing. Focus on acquiring high quality relevant backlinks to boost your website's authority and visibility. Use them strategically to enhance your content's credibility and drive organic traffic. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 35, where we learned about inbound links and how to use them effectively. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.